What's up guys, myself Sampath, and today we are back with another interesting video. And today I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone as a webcam for your PC. So without further ado, let's go into the video. For this to work, you need to install Webcam app on your mobile and Webcam client on your PC, and then you're good to go. We can do this in two manners, either wirelessly or through USB. Now let's see the wireless manner. Firstly, you need to make sure that both your phone and the PC are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then, you need to run the Droidcam client on your PC, and on the phone open Droidcam and enter the IP address on the PC. Then it's ready to go. But keep in mind that Wi-Fi speed and Wi-Fi range plays a major role in this. Now, the other way on through USB. For this to work, you need to go to your phone settings, about phone, and click on the model number 7 times. Then you're a developer. Now go to additional settings, then developer options, and turn on USB debugging. Then open Droidcam on your PC and mobile, then the PC detects your mobile and click start, then it works. You can use this on your Skype and Zoom calls and all video conference apps. If you find this video helpful, please share with your friends and family. And thanks for watching. Myself Sampath, and catch you in the next one.